Hello and welcome to this sleep meditation. My name is Joy Reynolds and I will be your guide into a peaceful sleep. Please do not listen to this recording whilst operating machinery or driving a car. I invite you to find a comfortable sleeping position. You can change positions if needed, but try not to move around very much. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Wherever your body is tense, focus on relaxing the muscles. Feel your shoulders relax and sink into the bed. Allow your jaw to drop slightly. Wiggle your toes once or twice and feel your feet and legs relaxing. Gently open and close your hands once and again, and then relax your hands and arms. If you haven't already done so, shut down the eyes. Allowing them to become heavier and heavier. And take a deep breath in, feeling the tension in your chest and stomach as you hold that breath. And allow your chest and stomach to relax as the breath escapes slowly. Notice any areas of tension in your body and relax those areas now. Your body will continue to relax. The sleep countdown will start in a moment. Each number you count will allow you to feel more and more relaxed and drift toward sleep. Count very slowly. Breathe with each count and concentrate your mind on the numbers. As thoughts come up, you can disregard them and turn your attention back to the numbers. Starting with 50. Breathe in and silently count 50. Picture the number 50. Breathe out the number 50. Picture the number 49. Breathe in, noticing your eyelids. They might be feeling very heavy and comfortable. Exhale, counting 49. 48. See the number 48 in your mind's eye, focusing all your attention on 48. 47. You might be feeling more relaxed, even sleepy, concentrating on 47. 46. Pleasant and calm. Breathing slowly and deeply. 45. Your attention drifts slowly, randomly. You can focus back on the numbers. 44. You might be feeling very sleepy now, pleasantly drifting off into sleep. 43. Calm, relaxed, peaceful, safe. 42. Focusing only on the numbers, allowing other thoughts to slip away. 41. Deeply relaxed, deeper and deeper. See the numbers in your mind, slowly counting down to sleep. 40. Continue the sleep countdown on your own now, concentrating just on the numbers. Continue to count down now. 41. As your attention wanders, allow your mind to drift back to focus just on the numbers as you count down to sleep. Pleasantly drifting. No direction except for down deeper with each number you count. Gently focus back on the counting as each number brings you closer and closer to sleep. Calm, relaxed, peaceful, relaxed. Continue to count down all the way down, down to 0. Down to sleep.